In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate NZ Post with Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just getting started, choosing the right integration method for your business needs is crucial. Let's explore the options you have to seamlessly integrate NZ Post with your Shopify store. You can choose between Plugin Hive, StarShipIt, or eShip, each offering distinct features that might align with different operational needs. It's all about matching the most suitable tool with your business, so let's break it down. Once you've chosen the integration method that feels right for you, the next step is to install your chosen app. If you decide to go with Plugin Hive, the process is quite straightforward. You simply need to visit the Shopify App Store, search for the NZ Post Shipping Integration app, and get it installed on your store. For those who find StarShipIt more appealing due to its additional features, you will begin by signing up on the StarShipIt website. After completing your registration there, connect your Shopify store directly within their interface. If eShip is your preferred choice, you will first need to register for an account on their platform. Once you have your account set up, follow the specific integration instructions provided by eShip to link your NZ Post services with Shopify. With the app installed, configuring your shipping settings is the next critical step. Start by entering your NZ Post business account details. This ensures that all shipping operations can flow smoothly between your store and NZ Post. Next, you'll need to set up shipping zones and rates. Defining these parameters allows you to cater to different geographical locations and price shipping accordingly, which is vital for a transparent customer experience. Additionally, you'll have the opportunity to customize label formats and tracking notifications. Doing so not only aligns with your brand's aesthetic, but also enhances customer satisfaction by keeping them informed about their order's journey. Before rolling out to your customers, it's important to test the integration thoroughly. Perform a few test orders to see everything in action. This is your chance to verify that shipping rates are being calculated accurately, labels are generated correctly, and tracking functionalities are seamless. If all goes well during these test runs, it's a good indication that your integration is successful and ready for live orders. Shopify can significantly streamline your order processing and enhance the delivery experience for your customers when integrated properly with NZ Post. Remember, the right integration method can make all the difference, so take your time to pick the best fit for your needs. Once set up, you'll have a system that simplifies shipping tasks, leaving you more time to focus on growing your business. Happy selling, and I'll see you in the next video.